Good morning, everyone. So, wish you happy Pongal. Um Market is about to open at around 9:15. So, in the meanwhile, we can review the December and January month profit status. So, kind of a P&L status. So, just selection option, and we'll go January month alone for the 2026. This is a trade status till to date. Zero loss for the month of January. And we'll check for the December. So in the December month, only one loss. So that is what we can see here. And I'm just keeping posted on daily live trading information here. And with this trading, I have mentioned in the video itself. Here, if you see, I have given my group information and my mobile number. So you people can join there if you want to experience the same kind of a trading on lively. And we'll wait for the market to be open. We'll complete the trade successfully. I hope today also will be successfully closing the trade. So it seems like today also we have an opportunity in CE. So if the market close anything above this 189 with the strike, so we'll see. So I'm ready. Now the second is 21:26. So I'll be ready around 56 seconds with this candle. Only if at all it is closed above this. Fifty-five, 56, 57, 58, 59. Bye. Bye. I'll change the strike. So since we have not executed the trade with zero the, so only option we have is this, the same strike. We had no other option. It's coming back to our price where we have executed it. So if this the same price got executed, we'll be happy. Yes, it is completed. So we are waiting for the trade to be completed around 89.30. Oh my God. Something wrong with the GTT. So this by this timing around, you should not get panic. So you have to be with your patient and follow your system. That's all I can say. So we are done for the day. And even with this, with the fires also, we are done for the day. So both as we got a successful trade. Fine. Thank you so much. And once again, happy Pongal.